I'm going to start by preparing the ingredients for the dish. So this dish calls for mushrooms. I've got 2 carrots that I've peeled. I've got some celery, also from Imperfect Foods, not beautiful, but perfectly adequate. I have some green onions or chives from my garden, which is nice. I have 1 tomato and I've just taken the core out of it. Shallot, and I have some ham. So I'm going to chop these things up. So I'm using brown rice, and I'm going to use 2 of these little cups in my rice cooker. I guess 2 cups, maybe I'll do 3. This seems like it's going to make a lot, so I think I'm going to do 3, and we can have lots of leftovers. All right, maybe I even need 4. All right, I'm doing 4. 4 cups. All right, and then I'm gonna add water. Puts a tomato right in the center here. So I'm gonna do that. Now, do the tomato right in the center, and then I'm gonna put everything around this. I have a lot of stuff and not a lot of room. That's all right, I don't mind. Just bang it all in there, I guess, right? And the shallots and the green onion are for the sauce that you put on it. And the last thing is the ham. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna pop it in the rice cooker and we'll see what happens. Okay, while that is cooking, I'm gonna prepare the sauce. So just using a small pan. Get that warm. I have my shallots and my green onion ready to go. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in here. I'm not hot. I also have some garlic. I'm just using this chopped garlic because this is so easy. All right, we'll add a little bit of garlic. I like a lot of garlic. And the shallots. And I'll let that saute a little, and then towards the end I'll add the chives. All right, that's looking good. Adding the green onion, scallion. Wow, that smells amazing. A little bit of water, and then soy sauce and oyster sauce. So here's the soy sauce, and let's get a spoon for the oyster sauce. I actually am not exactly sure how much oyster sauce he adds, so I'm just gonna do it to taste and see how it tastes once it's sort of cooked together. All right. Oh my gosh, that looks delicious. So I'll let that simmer a little bit and then turn it off, and it'll be ready to pour on the rice. Okay, the rice cooker's done. This is what it looks like when I open it up. I'm gonna actually transfer this to another bowl. Mix this all up together. It smells wonderful. All right, well, that's what it looks like. It looks great. Time for a taste. All right, let's give this a taste. It's wonderful. It's really good. You can definitely taste the celery and the carrots and the ham. And the sauce is really, really nice. Not too salty. Tiny bit sweet from the oyster sauce. It's kind of like making fried rice without the having to fry everything on the stove. The only thing I cooked was the sauce to go on top, and everything else cooked in the rice pot, so the rice maker. So that's really neat. Let me know if you try this recipe. I'd be curious to see how you like it. I hope you'll like the video, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell for notifications on future videos. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will catch you next time.